Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished for a brighter, more confident smile without the hefty price tag of professional treatments? What if I told you that some of the best ways to whiten your teeth can be found right in your kitchen? That's right. In this video, I'm about to uncover the surprising natural remedies that not only brighten your smile but are also incredibly easy to make at home. But here's the twist: not all methods are created equal. Some of these so-called miracle cures could actually do more harm than good. We'll dive into the science behind these techniques, and I'll reveal the ones that truly work, and the ones you should absolutely avoid at all costs. Stay tuned as I share my top 3 shockingly effective recipes that could transform your smile overnight. And stick around until the end, because I'll be testing one of these methods live, and you won't believe the results. Are you ready to discover how to achieve a dazzling smile without stepping foot in a dentist's office? Let's get started.